Why do we eat chocolate? The majority will say that they eat chocolate because they like the taste. Some will also say they like chocolate because it gives them a feeling of luxury. Chocolate gives stress relief, improves brain function, and makes us happy. But do you really think chocolate has only good qualities? Hello friends, I am Yashupta. Welcome to my channel Feed. In this video, I am going to talk about some most selling chocolates. Many different and delicious chocolates are available in the Indian market. But after research, I have chosen 5 most delicious and eatable chocolates in India. These are Kit Kat, Dairy Milk, Temptation, Bonville and 5 Star. I will also compare all these 5 chocolates with each other and also tell you which one is better one. Mostly people does not look at the backside of the chocolate except viewing prices. One should definitely read all the nutrition information which is mentioned on the product. After reading nutrition information, I found out that manufacturers mainly write 5 or more important nutrients. I will make the difference based on these chocolates, sugar, saturated fat and trans fat, which all comes in bad nutrients. If I first talk about 5-star chocolate, as we can see sugar is 61 gram, saturated fat is 9.1 out of 16.4 overall fat. This 16.4 is overall fat in a chocolate. To make saturated fat easy to understand, I convert it into percentage. So it will be around 55% and 0.1 also has trans fat. Let's move second one, which is Kit Kat. Here sugar is 51 gram, saturated fat is around 56% and 0 trans fat. If I compare them with each other, it is clearly visible that Kit Kat is more healthier than 5 star because it has 10 gram less than sugar and only 1 percentage difference between the saturated fats, and also it has 0 trans fat. Let's take third one, Dairy Milk chocolate. In Dairy Milk chocolate, sugar contains 55.5 gram, saturated fat is around 61% and 0.2 trans fat. When I compare it with Kit Kat, it has 5% more saturated fat and 4.5 gram more sugar, as well as it also has 0.2 gram trans fat. On the other side, Kit Kat has 0 trans fat. So after seeing all this information, Kit Kat is also better than Dairy Milk. Let's move to the Temptation. Temptation considered as the one of the best chocolate. Why it is considered? Let's check out. In Temptation chocolate, sugar contain only 43.4 gram, saturated fat 17.9 out of 34.9 gram, percentage wise around 51 percentage. Also it has 0.1 gram trans fat. It is clearly visible that Temptation chocolate is far better than the Kit Kat chocolate because there is a high difference between their saturated fat and sugar. 0.1 gram trans fat doesn't play major role. Let's move to the last one, which is Bonville chocolate. In Bonville chocolate, sugar content is 47.0 gram. If I see its saturated fat percentage wise, it is 61 percentage and also it has 0.1 gram trans. When I last compared Bonville chocolate with Temptation, they both have equal trans fat, but Bonville chocolate has more sugar and more saturated fat as compared to the Temptation chocolate. After seeing the differences of all with each other, we came to know that Temptation is healthiest among all. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, do subscribe, keep share and press the like button.